We spent 1,000 Mondays just leaning on the wall, chasing every shadow, watching every curtain fall. I know the way you take your coffee, you know my every nervous line. We've been living in each other's pockets, just killing all this time. But I looked across the table and the light hit you just right, and the world I thought I knew shifted in the middle of